Hey guys, are you like me and your Mario Kart 8 remote control car is having the blinky light up here? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that in this video. First we're going to do is we're going to remove 12 screws on the bottom. There's 12 screws on the bottom of this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once we do that, we're going to pull the top off. We're going to double check the inside, make sure there's no loose wires or connections. Look at the antenna and double check our batteries. Make sure they're good. Okay, it's in the off position. That's try me, and then we're going to put it on the on. Which you guys should be able to see. Yeah, on. We're going to turn this on. See, blinky light. And if I zoom out, if I do anything with the controls, nothing works. There are batteries in it. There's obviously a battery in here, or else that light wouldn't be on. So what we're going to do here, guys, real quick, is I'm going to take those out. I'm going to put you guys down somewhere. And we're going to, I'll come back when all the screws are out, because it's just really me unscrewing a bunch of little screws. And we'll come back and we'll see if we can see what's going on, and maybe we can get this thing working. Okay guys, so now we got all the screws out. Lift the top off. And let's just check again. It's on down there. We'll just take a quick look. This is what it's all about here. As you can see, our positive and negative are intact. We got power there. Doesn't seem like we have any loose wires or connections over here. Oh, my son points this out. This is flat, so I don't know. Let's put that up. It's probably our antenna, I would assume. Alright, let's try it out. Alright, that didn't seem to do anything on the remote. I don't know. Let's flip it over, see what's going on. So we just turn it off. And we'll turn it on. And we'll try to put the remote on. Nope, that didn't do anything.
So when it comes to button.
Alright, well we'll take a look a little bit more and we'll see what's going on. Alright guys, so let's give this a try again. It's on the off position in the middle. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn our remote on. And there we go. Oh, jeez. See, works. Even the, oh. Maybe don't do that. Oh. Yeah, I don't do that, because it's still taken apart. But I guess what I had done when I changed the batteries, I got the positive and negative mixed up because there's 6 of them in there, and I just looked at it a little bit different. But what is going to fix your thing is...
Go see Mom.
One more. There we go. And turn it on. There we go. Solid. And oh, everything should work. Alright guys, so I'm going to turn this, put this back on, and we're going to show that it works officially, because right now it's kind of taken apart, but it does work. The light's solid. Alright guys, as you can see, light's on. Doesn't like the carpet or that mat too much. Oh, it works just fine. Now let's go in, we'll turn it off. Turn it off. And we'll try to turn it back on again. There we go. And works just fine. Alright guys, so what I originally did when I had the Blinky light, I thought maybe the batteries are dead because they were the factory batteries that came with the remote control car. So I changed those out. Evidently I put them in wrong. So that could have contributed a bit to the Blinky light. It could be an indicator. But I also kind of just played with the antenna wire inside, that little black cord about this big. It's not attached to anything, it just kind of laid down flat. So I moved that up and I kind of moved it around a little bit and then everything started working. So it could be a combination of the batteries and the antenna. I can't give you 100% definition because I kind of did two things at once. But if this happens to you, I mean, it's 12 screws on the bottom. It doesn't take that long to pop them off. And if you have fresh batteries laying around, pop those in. All right guys, and that's what I did to fix the Mario Kart 8 remote control car. If you like this kind of content, guys, I know it's a little bit off of what I normally do, but because we've been doing renovations and some car stuff mostly on my channel, but I thought if I'm having this issue, other people probably have this issue as well. But if you like this kind of stuff, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, never stop learning.